Are your Windows OS core apps crashing due to the Interactivity Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. As we prepare the manual solution for Interactivity Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Interactivity Library, a specialized .NET Interactivity module. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of user behaviors and triggers within WPF applications, facilitating the data link between UI interaction manifests and underlying business logic. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error typically means a core application file is missing from Windows OS Core. Reinstall the official Windows OS Core package to restore Interactivity Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Interactivity Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Interactivity Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Interactivity Library environment. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Interactivity Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.